As you can see here, there's still much work to be done in Red Lodge following last year's floods. But Wednesday was a day of celebration for the town, honoring all of the hard work community members have put into rebuilding.
When the calendar turns to May, the water typically starts to rise here on Rock Creek and Red Lodge.
It's coming up and down a little bit right now.
And this May, the rush is on to repair roads, riverbanks, and even reroute the stream.
A year after, we still have a lot of work to do.
After last year's historic floods.
There's quite a bit of road work and stuff, but as far as in the river work, we're about done. We're trying to get done before the water comes up.
But on Wednesday, many took time to pause and celebrate one of the community heroes who stepped up during the disaster.
Thanks to Sherry Weamer's dedicated leadership, the town has persevered.
Sherry Weamer, the executive director of the Red Lodge Chamber of Commerce, had her name entered into the congressional record by Senator Rosendale.
Honored truly is the word. I'm so appreciative. I'm so happy for our town.
Weamer was recognized for rallying resources during the flood and pointing people to the help they needed.
She's a leader. There you go. And leaders, what they do is they figure out what needs to be done, and they put a plan in place on how to execute it. And that's exactly what she is.
I'm all about getting the businesses back to work. They need to be back in business, and the employees need their jobs. And that was my focus, was we have to move on and keep our town moving.
And that's exactly what this community has done.
They've been super great. The community around here, the people have been really good.
Providing a reminder that even in the darkest of times, a strong community can withstand anything.
I love you. The future looks brighter than ever. We're going to have a great summer. Thank you. Yeah, I'm speechless at this point, overwhelmed. So thank you.
In Red Lodge, Kelsey Marison, MTN News.